good, Nessa gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good, and become part of Nessa gang by hitting that subscribe button. Before we get into the video, make sure you comment Nessa gang to be a part of the team, you know what I'm saying? Because Nessa gang is the littlest gang of all gangs, you know? If you want to learn how to do a cut, crease, keep watching. I'm going to start talking and being wretched because y'all really here just to see the cut, crease. Y'all here to see the crease get cut. Okay. Hey, okay, so first things first, you need some tape. I got mine from Dollar General, but I suggest you getting a better quality. I just got the cheap little doink doink. But anyways, I just put it on my face. Make sure you don't get it on your eyelashes because when it's time to take them off, oh my gosh, it's the worst thing ever. But for the eyeshadow, I'm just taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's my favorite freaking palette. And then I'm going to use a fluffy brush to put this transition color on my eyelid. So the transitioning color goes in your crease and a little bit over your crease. Do not get it on your eyebrows or close to your eyebrows, otherwise you're gonna look kind of crazy. But the tape is definitely gonna help you with this. Just make sure you fan it out really good. Make sure you get that blended in and you should be fine. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker color because we need to give our eyes some dimension. I use the same palette throughout the whole video, I believe. But anyways, I'm putting this color right in my crease and under it, basically, because when you blend this out, you don't want it to overpower the transition color that you put on. So now I'm just using the first brush that I used to put the transition color on to blend everything together. I didn't feel like the dark brown gave me enough dimension, so I just kept getting darker and darker, and then I think eventually I went black. It's okay to add more. Just make sure that you're not overpowering the other colors that you put on your eyes. Every time I need to blend, I use the first brush that I used in the first place. Now, if I was going lighter, I would use a clean new brush. But since I'm going darker, it's okay to use the same brush. So when you're done and you've blended to perfection, you need concealer. Concealer is the holy grail. This is the one that I use. I've been using it for a while. And I just use this small flat brush. I feel like this is the most time consuming part because you have to be very careful. Obviously there's ways to fix it if you mess up, which I did and I'll show you later. But just look at what I'm doing because it's really hard to explain. But once you put it on and you think it's perfect, take another flat brush and get whatever color you please and just pack it on there. I dab it because I feel like it works better that way. It's an option, but some people set their concealer after they put it on their eyelids and then put the eyeshadow, but I just feel like it gets really clumpy. And you could see that I messed up right there, and I'm just going back with the dark color that I used in my crease and put it over, and it's just as new, maybe even better. And if you mess up like I did, it's okay because that is why there are liquid eyeliners like this one. You need this if you're making cut creases because if you mess up and you're very careless like I am, because my lines are usually never perfect, you just need this and have a steady hand and voila, you finessed, you fleeked. But y'all, my camera died, so I didn't show you guys the other line of eyeliner that I put on, but once I put on makeup on the rest of my face, I'll be back. Okay, so y'all back. Y'all seen what I did to get this look, you know what I'm saying? It was a struggle. It takes me longer when I do cut creases because it's just a process with the concealer. But honestly, using the tape method is so easy, a time saver. Even the most talented makeup artists use tape just to get that quick line without using the most concealer, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? You should definitely invest in some better tape because sometimes it don't even stick all the way. Like if you got lotion on like I did, it was kind of sticking up, and then your eyeliner will run everywhere and then it would just be pointless. But anyway, I hope you like. I don't know why I have this scissors in my hand. Cut, 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 cut. Crease. So yeah, once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your aunties, cousins, uncles, brothers, sisters, baby mama. So that's it for the tutorial, girl. I love you. I hope you get your cut crease together, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.